elevate or remove those tooth roots, we need to fatigue and incise the periodontal ligament. And so those things that we're talking about are elevators and luxators. So most people, when they think of an elevator, traditionally it's been a straight elevator or a winged elevator. And then we have luxators. Do you see the difference, how thin they are in comparison to the others? They have a sharp working head. We want to choose our shape to fit our root. And when we're placing them, the goal is to fatigue the periodontal ligament, the PDL, and we have to be patient and wait and sing your elevator music to as you're elevating, or sometimes if we're trying to be patient, we tell each other jokes some ways so you don't think about how long it seems to be taking. When you're being patient, you're actually going to be faster. And the cool, awesome thing that GerVet has done is they have all different sizes, but I want you to notice how all of these are 2 millimeter. All of these have the same color handle, which means they're the same size. And on the next slide, we'll show you how each size is a different color, but then they have different tips. So this gold tip is a luxator, and this is a winged elevator. There's one up here, the same thing again. And then they also have wing angles. They have left and right, which they started out in using in people, and you kind of stick the point in and then start going and moving along with that area. And so you can choose your instrument based on the size of the root, but what tip you're looking for, if you need to switch, say, from a luxator to a winged, you can do that by looking for that same color handle, because that's the size that already fits the shape. Now you just look for the different colored tip that has that same color handle, and that is so nice to quickly decide and switch between those. Their winged here are really nice because the tip is thin like a luxator. It's just the wings are varied in where and how wide they are based on your size. So this is a set of luxators and the same sizes of winged instruments that also have a luxating thin margin. And they're color coded by their size. And cool, they have a 1.5 millimeter. Traditionally, there's 2 through 6, and they have a 1.5 as well. And so that can really help you get into the space to work in that area. So it's exciting how that is available and can help you work with what we're doing. We'll talk more about the uses of our wings and our luxators and our winged elevators in just a minute.